May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly Forex forecast. This is Sunday. What is this? The 18th? No, the 17th. All right, the 17th of August. And we're going to look at the Euro USD, which is the exact opposite of what we saw in the US dollar index. Make sure you check out that video. I just put that out a little while ago, and it'll help you to see the following analysis a lot more clearly, much more clearly. How about that? All right. So while the U.S. dollar index is going up, the euro on the monthly time frame here is heading down, and you can see it's hitting that downward trend pretty well. That downward trend line. You know, I don't trade trend lines. I don't base trades on it. I just plot structure on it. But we got to hit here, we got to hit here, we got to hit here, and every time it hits this diagonal resistance line, it tends to fall. Doesn't mean it's going to happen this time, but it's just something to you know bear in mind. Now, what have we been doing? We've been bullish for months in the Euro USD. All right, and we got a sure enough break of market structure here. All right, we established the area of fair value with this drop and the buy up, the more stronger buy up, and we closed above this high. That means that there's a break of market structure for sure. That indicates just we're just looking for buys, and buyers are in control. Price comes back into this natural area of demand, all right, and pushes higher. All right, that's what you expect. Okay, then we get another high swing high break up here, indicating more bullishness to come. July is a bearish month. August starts off for the first 2 weeks as a bullish month. Now, what I'd like to see, what I would have liked to, what I would have liked to have seen, is price. sorry, is the with August that we will go up and maybe show some respect to the 50 to 75, 80% of the previous candles trading range and then turn down. All right. We are seeing a deeper retracement, not unfortunately, but that's what we're seeing. That's what the market's giving us. Does that mean we're heading up? Thank you. Does that mean that we're heading up? No, it doesn't mean that we're heading up. It could mean that, but what it gives us is an area to watch that'll help us to decide. We don't have to just jump in on trades. We can wait till the market gives us something. Let's go down to the weekly, all right, and what we can see is for weeks: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. All right, we have that market structure break there. We have price coming back down into an area of demand within this bullish leg that broke market structure. That's bullish stuff. All right, all of that is bullish stuff. All right, we got the bullish move, ha ha. But see that little dotted green line I got up here? This one right here. This is in an area of daily supply, but we'll get to that. We're on the weekly right now. And what we want to see, what I want to see, is if price trades above and closes above this high, then that means this is not a protected high here. All right. This is the protected high because it led to a move that took prices down below this buy up. It let us know that there is there was going to be a pullback, and that pullback did happen, right? But this recovery is what I'm watching. What I want to see is from this so-called protected high. What is that doing? From this so-called protected high, come on, man. Are we going to see, if I put the Fibonacci retracement tool on it, I would have liked to have seen a pullback maybe between 680, 618 and 786, And that's where we are right now. We got an easy decision. Let the market make its own decision. We don't have to jump into buys or sells. We can wait. And if price respects this level, all right, where we see price start to turn over here because it ran into this supply zone, then uh, where we can start looking for sells. It's because sellers are going to take over. We can see the buy up be overtaken by a larger, a stronger sell off, and then we can plot to come towards the sell side liquidity. For a longer term, let me pull back for a longer term drop in this market. All right. Now, if we go to the daily, this is the last one. All right. Now, actually, it's not the last one. All right. Let's see. This is the pullback from that swing high. What you want to look at is okay. Sorry, we okay. We broke structure. We had to pull back into this area of demand. It did its thing. It pushed price higher, but this is an impulsive move. This is the correction to that impulsive move. Does that pullback stop here? Does it at the 786 Fibonacci retracement? Does it stop there? We've already tapped this area of supply with a potential, what do you call it, protected high, because this is a weak high because it didn't take out this high. All right, it's a swing fail, and I'm looking for prices. Even though we corrected, I'm looking for price to come on, keep coming down. That's what I'm looking for. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. I'm not jumping into anything, and I don't suggest you to jump into anything until the market decides. I'm looking for price to break and come down to these ascending lows here for sell side liquidity. All right, we've already tapped into this bullish fair value gap down here with this candle here. So I don't see a whole lot holding price from going that way. Now, if we go the other way, I would wait until this is taken. That's that protected high. All right. Yes, this could be some relative equal highs here, but if price does take those, we're going higher, and we're looking at a weak euro, or weak USD. But I am looking for this because we've already broken a structure point. We made a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Is this the potential lower high here for the next lower low? That's where I'm at. If we take a quick peek on the 4 hour, we will see this. Look at this. Look how impulsive that was. And then we got high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. We're going higher, but we have already tapped that area of supply. We have not gone past this that green dotted line. We have not gone past that potential protected high. We could go past this, but then I'm looking for price to break that. All right. As soon as we go past this, I'm looking for price to break that. If it doesn't happen, then we just ain't going down low. We aren't going to swing past these. Come and get this sell side liquidity there. You understand? If we go up here and this becomes our area of demand, I'll be looking for price to come back here and continue higher. All right. Those are the two scenarios. This is the one I'm thinking should happen. We're at 786. We don't have to wait long. We'll probably get that decision made by the markets on Monday, and that's what I'm hoping that you'll look for. Hey, thank you for watching. Again, make sure you check out the US dollar index breakdown I already did, and thank you for leaving a like or a boost to encourage me to make more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.